Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing chicken with a creamy mushroom rice. Pretty simple to do and really inexpensive. Alright, so look, let's just get on with it. Here I've got one leek and I'm going to just take the bottom off that, and we're going to use the white part only, so we're going to give that a bit of a cut. Now leeks do have grit on the inside from time to time. Here's a hack. Put that cut end down in some water, leave that for about half an hour, and give it a shake from time to time, and all of that dirt will eventually just fall out. Here I've got around about half a kilo, 500 grams worth of chicken tenderloins, and season that up with some salt and pepper, or I'm just using a multi-purpose seasoning. So it's got a bit of garlic powder, a bit of onion powder, a little bit of oil in a pan, and we're going to make this a one pan dish. And all we're simply going to do is we're going to cook off our tenderloins. They're only going to take about 4 to 5 minutes per side, not very long at all. Alright, so we've got a nice medium pan there, and we're just going to give those a turn from time to time, and make sure we cook them evenly. If you're not sure if they're cooked or not, get a temperature probe. 74 degrees Celsius would be perfect. Okay, so just give those a bit of a cook off, just like that. Not going to take very long at all. And I seasoned one side, put them in. When I've turned them, I've given them another little bit of a season. Right, so we've got a nice bit of golden brownish happening there. I'm going to put that onto a tray and wrap those in some foil, and that's going to keep those just nice and warm until we get on with our next step. I'm going to put that in the oven sitting at about 50 degrees Celsius, right, just to keep them nice and warm. Right, we've all got schmutz and stuff in the bottom of that pan. Don't worry, it's all going to add flavour to our dish. Those leeks we're finely sliced up, and we're going to add those straight into the pan just like that. Right, we're going to cook those off for a few minutes or so, okay, until they start to soften, which is exactly what we want. They're starting to soften up, as you can see, and we're now going to start adding in the hero of our dish, the main flavour. And it's going to be 500 grams worth of sliced mushrooms. I these days just buy mine pre-sliced. It's a little bit easier for me with my MS, and it's worth the extra $1 I might spend on buying those. I'm going to put those in. We're going to cook those off for a good 5 minutes or so, and the moisture of that mushroom will start to leach out. And here I've got 1 cup's worth of basmati rice, which I have rinsed, of course. Just get rid of any of that excess starch and dust on the outside. We're going to put that straight into our pan as well. Okay, give all of that a good stir, just like that, and that rice is going to absorb a lot of that liquid that's coming out of those mushrooms. Right, pretty simple sort of stuff. Okay, I'm going to add in 2 cups worth of chicken stock. Right, about was that 500 mils worth of chicken stock. Add a little bit at a time. Give that a good stir. The rice is going to start absorbing all of that stock in no time at all. This particular dish is only going to take you around about sort of 25 minutes to cook. Right, so we're just going to add a little bit of stock, a little bit like a risotto if you like. That's the way we're going to do it. I'm losing my patience here, and I'm just going to put all of that stock straight in just like that. Okay, and we're going to continue at a sort of 40 to 50% heat cycle. Alright, and as you can see, the stock is starting to turn quite nice and dark, which is perfect. It's going to add maximum sorts of flavour. Okay, I'm going to add in around about a 1/4 cup, maybe a 1/2 cup, depending on how I feel, of sour cream. You can do the same. You can add as much or little as you like. Right, put that straight in just like that, and as you can see, we've just got a nice little simmer sort of happening right there. Right, so just keep stirring that through. It's probably going to take you around about sort of 15, maybe 20 minutes until that rice will be cooked. Just check. Don't take my word for how long it's going to cook. Different pans, different hobs are going to take different times, but once our rice starts to get a little bit tender, we can get ready to finish this off. I'm going to cover that for a few minutes or so just to maximise the heat and steamage of our rice. As you can see, I've got that sitting on quite a low heat now. Turn that down to 30%, just let that simmer away. Okay, that rice has absorbed all of that beautiful creaminess and everything else we've put in. We can start serving that up. Our chicken is still nice and warm, sitting in that little foil blanket that we made in the oven, as I said, sitting at 50 degrees, and we cover it so it doesn't dry out. Tenderloins and chicken breast can. Add down our rice, and we can add in our little tenderloins. You could even use some chicken breast if you like, and there you go. You got KP's chicken with a creamy mushroom rice. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy and pretty quick on a weeknight. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make easy one-pan dishes that are great on a winter's night, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you will never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my chicken with my creamy mushroom rice, and I will catch you next time. Bye.